Today's video is sponsored by Charlie Chaplin. Open your clip in the Fusion page and add a watercolor node. Change the channel to RGB and increase the smoothness slider. Bring a merge node after, copy your watercolor node and paste it into some empty spot of your flow. Connect your clip to this second node also and check the Show Gradient box. Connect this to the Merge node as a foreground. Select the Merge node and change the Apply mode to Multiply. Go back to this second watercolor and bring down the Smoothness slider to get back some of the details. Add another Merge node after the current one. Bring a Texture node into your flow and connect it to this second merge. Adjust the size slider if it is needed, and change the Apply mode to Color Burn. If you want, you can change the edges to Mirror and modify the center slider with Shake. Go to the Modifiers tab and bring down the Smoothness slider. Add a Stop Motion node after, set the Frame Repeat slider to 3, and your effect is ready. Chaplin. If you like this clip, subscribe to this channel. If you didn't, there is nothing I can do about it.